Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Prince Influence. The song is Under the Influence. The artist is Chris Brown. The choreography is QUAN TERRELL, aka Prince of Swag. If you are interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now. You can book your room right now. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we come. And there you go, Prince Influence. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.